Are you ready to give your beloved rig the home it deserves? Choosing the right PC case is like picking the perfect outfit for a night out. Style matters, but so does comfort. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a creative genius, or just someone who enjoys a bit of RGB flair, the right case can make all the difference. Join us as we dive into the world of the best PC cases, where functionality meets fabulousness, because your components deserve to strut their stuff. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Corsair 4000 DRS Frame, our pick for best budget PC case. If you're on the hunt for a wallet-friendly PC case that doesn't skimp on flair or function, the Corsair 4000 DRS Frame might just steal your heart. This mid-tower marvel is like that high school nerd who grew up to be a tech superstar, effortlessly combining performance with a killer aesthetic. It's specifically designed for ATX motherboards, perfect for gamers who crave both style and substance. The 4000 DRS flaunts the frame modular case system, which is like a customizable Lego set for adults. Want to swap out your motherboard tray or add a few extra USB ports? No problem. This case evolves with your needs, adapting as quickly as your gaming skills improve. With 3 pre-installed Corsair RS pulse width modulation fans, you'll enjoy a cooling experience that's as quiet as a ninja. Thanks to 0 revolutions per minute mode, you'll hardly know they're there until they kick into high gear when things heat up. The Corsair InfiniRail fan mounting system gives you the freedom to mix and match fans for maximum airflow, keeping your rig cool while looking pretty slick too. And let's talk about that 3DY pattern airflow panel. It's not just stylish, it's a cooling powerhouse. Plus, the internal side panel doubles as a cable cover, making tangled wires a thing of the past. So with the Corsair 4000 DRS frame, you're not just investing in a case, you're elevating your entire gaming setup without breaking the bank. Number 4. NZXT H9 Flow, our pick for best dual chamber glass PC case. If you're on the hunt for a PC case that's as visually stunning as it is functionally savvy, look no further than the NZXT H9 Flow. This beauty flaunts a dual chamber design that doesn't just hold your components, it puts them on display like a fine art collection thanks to its sleek tempered glass panels. Your rig deserves the spotlight. Don't let it stew in a shoebox. Designed with airflow in mind, the H9 Flow boasts perforated top and side panels that funnel fresh, cool air to your components. That means you can game like a pro without risking a meltdown. And the dual chamber layout? It's a game changer. Say goodbye to cable chaos, as storage and power supplies are conveniently tucked away, allowing your GPU to breathe easy and perform at its best. Building your dream setup is a breeze. The spacious interior comes with intuitive cable management solutions and a dedicated SSD wall panel, so your cables won't resemble a tangled mess. Plus, those removable mounting brackets for the top and side make assembly smoother than your favorite gaming soundtrack. With its emphasis on airflow, style, and user-friendliness, the NZXT H9 Flow isn't just a case. It's a hotspot for your gaming passion. Elevate your setup and let your incredible components shine. Still searching for the perfect PC case? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Fractal Design Meshify-C, our pick for best mid-tower PC case. If you're on the hunt for a PC case that doesn't just blend into the background, but stands out with pizzazz, the Fractal Design Meshify-C is your new best friend. With its eye-catching all-mesh front panel, this case is like the haute couture of computer components. Think modern art meets athletic wear. Those polygonal patterns? They're not just for show. They also facilitate stellar airflow, with 2 pre-installed fans that keep your rig cool whether you're leveling up in your favorite game or multitasking like a pro. Now, let's get real for a second. Getting to that power supply unit dust filter? It might require some acrobatics, so stretch before getting started. And the front USB 3 cable? Let's just say it could stand to be a little longer. Talk about a game of tug-of-war when you're plugging in devices. At a modest size of 395 by 212 by 440 millimeters, this mid-tower fits nicely into your setup without becoming a space hog. Plus, it comes with handy input-output options like 2 USB 3 ports and HD audio input-output, making your life just that much easier. With the Meshify-C, you're not just building a PC. You're crafting a masterpiece that's as stylish as it is functional. Your dream rig awaits. Let's make it happen. Number 2. Lian Li Lancool 205, our pick for best mesh PC case. If you're on the hunt for a PC case that's more than just a metal box, the Lian Li Lancool 205 is your match made in gamer heaven. This mid-tower marvel screams flexibility with its compatibility for ATX, micro ATX, and mini ITX motherboards. No need to stress about your setup. Crafted from top-notch tempered glass and sturdy steel plate cold commercial steel, this beauty is as durable as it is stylish. But let's talk about the upgraded mesh front panel. It's like a breath of fresh air for your hardware. Literally. With magnetic dust filters keeping the grime away, your components stay cool and ready to crush those gaming sessions. Now let's sprinkle some flair into your build with 3 ARGB LED pulse width modulation fans, 2 at the front and 1 at the back. With just a tap of the CM button, you can switch between 7 colors and lighting modes, turning your rig into a disco party right at your gaming station. Installation: a piece of cake. Thanks to removable SSD mounting brackets and swappable top fan brackets, upgrading and maintenance are a breeze. The Lancool 205 not only lets you throw down some serious gaming, it does so with style and ease. So gear up and get ready to watch your friends turn green with envy. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Hyte Y70 Touch, our pick for best PC case overall. If you're ready to kick your gaming and productivity setup up a notch, the Hyte Y70 Touch PC case is your ultimate sidekick. This isn't just a case, it's a masterpiece that screams sophistication with its sleek, cutaway design and dazzling 4K interactive touchscreen. Talk about a showstopper at your desk. With Hyte's Nexus software powering that stunning display, you'll have all the vital system info and customizable widgets right at your fingertips. Who knew you could look this cool while checking your CPU usage? Inside, the Y70 Touch is like a mansion for your components. There's room for up to 10 fans and 3 radiators, keeping everything frosty while the striking glass panels give your GPU a spotlight worthy of a red carpet. This case isn't just about housing your hardware. It's a bold statement declaring, "I mean business, and I look good doing it." Yes, the Hyte Y70 Touch comes at a premium price. But let's be real, can you really put a price on style and functionality? Supporting ITX, MATX, ATX, and EATX motherboards, this case is as versatile as your gaming skills. Upgrading to the Y70 Touch means blending top-notch performance with an aesthetic that matches your personal vibe. Treat your rig to the flair it deserves and elevate your setup to the next level, because you're not just building a PC, you're crafting a work of art. Whew, we made it. That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best PC cases. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also let us know in the comments which PC case you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.